2 o'clock update. The winds are starting to get pretty ferocious. We still don't have tons of rain. It's serious wind. Still coming from the north. I just heard something snap. Tree, I guess. But you can see it's not really raining. It's just very windy. Something tells me my roses will not be here tomorrow. Eye passes over, the wind will shift and the flag will be actually going the opposite direction that it is now. And when the wind comes from that direction, that's when it's going to be at its strongest.